In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and change your Airbnb password. Okay? All you need to do is come here at the top right where you see your profile icon. I want you to go ahead and click on this option. And then if you scroll down here, you will see the account option. So this is where we're going to be accessing next. So come here and click on account. And now on this page, you will see a bunch of different other options. This is what we're interested in. Login and security. This is where you can go ahead and update our password, right? So go ahead and click on this option right here. And now here under login and security, you'll see the password option. As you can see, I last updated this 15 days ago. I can just click on update right here and then enter my current password, right? And then my new password that I want, I can enter this one twice. Just confirm your password. Make sure you use uppercase, lowercase, letters, numbers, and other symbols to get a strong password. And then just go ahead and click on update password. It's really that easy and simple.